Hey there, it's Iman here at Whitelance. We now have a new functionality added to the custom data type feature, which basically means that when your customers are filling out their post a job form, you can decide to make any of the preferences section a required field. So in this case, I'm going to post this job. Please fill out the language. You can see this language form. This language part is a mandatory part. And that's because in my admin dashboard, in the data types page, I have a new setting here that says make mandatory on the post job page, and that's selected. But if I deselect that, and then I submit it, and now I refresh this page, the language field is no longer required, and I can post that job. So you can basically choose now what fields would you like to make mandatory for your customers. And this is useful because it could be that you want to encourage your customers to input certain fields that are really critical and that are also going to help them find the best match. And ultimately, your goal is to try and get more sales, more hires through the platform. And the more that you can do to encourage your customers to find the right match, the more likely it is they're going to actually hire somebody. So that's how the feature works. And again, to access it, go to your data types and then select this option, make mandatory on the post job page. That's it. Enjoy.